Man, oh man, finally got some decent weather out. It's not too windy, which is still a little bit windy, not too bad though. It's not freezing cold, that's nice. It's actually starting to feel a little bit more like summer. It's actually like up in the 70s today, so yeah, today's gonna be a good day. Alrighty guys, it's Reaper GT, and today I'm reviewing another Kimco Guys product. I think it's fairly new. I commented on their post when they posted about it, and I have to, like, I'll just put it up right here. But yeah, they want me to check it out apparently, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and review it for them. Alrighty guys, so you know you hate water spots, right? Everybody hates water spots. I mean, they suck, they're hard to get rid of sometimes, and they're just a big pain, especially after washing your car and you don't have time to dry it. You know, it's just a big pain to get rid of them ugly water spots. Well, today I'm gonna be checking out this water spot remover. It's supposed to remove it with ease, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and review it today, so let's go check it out. And here it is guys, here's the water spot remover. As you can tell, sorry if it gets really windy, but as you can tell, if it will focus, you can see some water spots. It's hard to tell on camera with this red, but there are some water spots on there, a good bit actually. I hosed the car off with you know, it's like really crappy water up here, so it just really makes the water really spotty. Here you can see it on the window really good. I did hose down the car and it did get clean. Like, the ceramic coat works. Like, I ceramic coat the whole car. I did a comparison on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok. It's Reaper GT, so it shouldn't be really hard to find. But I did a TikTok where I compared ceramic coat, because her car is not coated at all, has nothing on it, versus this. And guys, this car has been ceramic coated for 3 months, and it by Hydro-Slick, by the way, and it's lasting a very long time. It's lasting like it, you know, like I just put it on. So whoever is freaking complaining saying it's not working right and that doesn't last long, I don't think you're putting it on right. I think you're totally messing it up. You're not doing something right, or you're just being you know what, to complain about it because you are like an Adams guy, which that's fine if you're an Adams guy. I like Adams, but today we are going to be checking out this and seeing how it works. Okay, so I read the directions, and they say you want to get a small portion of it on a microfiber towel, which I'm going to use this one. They say you want to wipe it off with, or you want to wipe it off and you want to use like soap, like, you know, like actually wash your car with like actual car soap, or use a detailer. So I'm going to use their quick detailer. This detailer is great, by the way. Now, when I use it to clean my wheels in the last review video on ceramic coating my wheels, this stuff was amazing. Okay guys, so I read the directions. It says shake well, so I'm going to shake it well. It's kind of hard to shake because it's really thick, so it feels like it's not really shaking at all. Alrighty guys, I shook it the best I can. I'm gonna plop a little bit on a microfiber towel. I made a rookie mistake. I forgot to take the paper off on the inside, so that was, yeah, I feel really stupid. Alrighty guys, this time, finally, gonna put some on a microfiber towel. It's a dab. And they said make sure you test out the surface of the area of the car. And what I'm going to do is just rub it into the towel a little bit so it doesn't come off. I do that with everything, like gel wise. And I'm going to rub it on a spot. Now I'm going to grab my quick detailer and get the rest of it off with that. And voila, water spots are gone in that general area that I scrubbed, and the water spots that I just scrubbed right now are still not coming off. So this product, actually, I'm actually really impressed right now with this product already. So we're gonna move on to a different part of the car. Just to give you a closer view, that is clean. Then you'll get up closer, then you'll start seeing water spots again. Yeah, this stuff definitely does its job. I am not disappointed. Okay guys, there's still some on the rag, so I'm gonna try to use what's left on the rag and see if that works. So gonna go ahead and of course now this is starting to get dry. So I'm gonna put that down, I'm gonna grab the quick detailer and clean off the water spot remover. And voila, you guys probably can't see it on camera, but the water spots on this car are really bad. It's like, it's the worst it could possibly be. And it took it off. It is smooth. Guys, this product actually works really, really well. Okay guys, you can see all that water spots on the mirror. That is the hardest place to get the water spots off, in my opinion, because the mirror likes to move and you have to readjust it. So I'm going to see how well this works on the mirror. Hey guys, like I said, just dab a little bit on the rag. Don't need too much, just a little bit for like a small surface like this. This is how I do. Not everybody has to do this, but I like to rub it into the rag a little bit. Then I just wipe my finger off, rub the excess off my finger. Then I'm going to go ahead and gently, oh, it's coming off without even putting any pressure at all. That came off super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up this window too. And I'm gonna get the detail spray and see what it looks like after that. And there it is, guys. No more water spots on the mirror at all. That mirror, I haven't seen that mirror so clean. Oh, hey. But yeah, I haven't seen that mirror so clean in the windows. Oh my god, that looks good. I'm probably going to use this stuff more often after the car wash. Seriously guys, I highly recommend this product if you hate water spots and you have a hard time like I do. Like, look at all the water spots on the back window. I guarantee you that stuff will take it all off. I'm actually about to use it on the back window right now. And that is clean. No water spots at all. And that was very, very easy to do. Oh my god, guys, I definitely recommend this stuff, guys. I highly recommend it if you hate water spots and are hard to remove. I highly recommend it. Oh, my bottle fell over. But I definitely recommend this water spot remover. And come on, guys, if you're watching this, you gotta hook me up with a sponsorship. I want to review all of your products. Anything you want me to review, I will review it. Guys, hook me up. He thinks Chemical Guy should sponsor me, because obviously I'm a big fan of them, of their products, and I always talk good about them because they are good. They are amazing. Their water spot remover, best thing in the world. It's the best product I've used to remove water spots. I mean, like, that is clean. All them water spots on my windshield. Now I'm going to remove here soon, but I'm not going to record it. Of course, I'm going to record everything, but that is bad. It's going to be hard to see when driving at night. That's how bad it is. Alrighty guys, leave a like and a comment and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I love the support. It means the world. It motivates me to go higher and work harder. So yeah guys, highly recommend this stuff. I will leave a link in the description for this product. I highly recommend it, and hopefully they sponsor me. I can give you guys a discount maybe one day, maybe. So yeah, if you're seeing this, DM Chemical Guys and tell them to sponsor me. Tell them that they should definitely sponsor me so I can review more of their product. Alrighty guys, let me know in the comments what you want me to review next, and see you guys later.